A nursing mother under the care of the police after she hit down a woman and the lady passed on. Anyway, guys, before I want to talk about the matter, you're welcome to Kongosa and Gossip TV. If not the first time this way you stop for this channel, you're welcome. I beg enter with your popcorn and don't forget for come with your seat too. For all the returning subscriber, I thank you now for all the support we una don't give Kongosa and Gossip TV. And if you dare here you never yet subscribe, please just hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever we upload, una go be among the first to be notified. I thank una as una do so. Anyway, my people, make we dive inside this matter. This matter na painful matter for nursing mother way. She began to go Ikeja and she hit down a lady. Actually, when I go here, when I go leave the video more and listen exactly what happened, the lady say, "In no sure say now she hit that woman where he died." She said she was going and she hears people they shout, then she stopped. So when she came down from her car, she was like, "You people should help her," and she finally helped her. So people say that she hit down the lady. She said she not sure say that she hits down the lady because she not see the lady cross road. Anyway, my people, this is not the main reason why we dey where it pain us or where it dey for this kind of situation where they interview her, she dey cry because of course na traffic offense. She not mean them. She was going, she did not willingly hit down the lady. If at all, na she hits down the lady, my people. Now the action which she carry after where the situation it don't happen, that is she hits down the lady, make we take her. So she take the lady go hospital. They confirm say the lady be dead. So for the hospital, they advise her for go for police station, say make she go report the case, say she don't hit down somebody and the person don't pass away, like the person don't go RIP, my people. But on her way there, her business partner advised her not for enter police station. Say if she take enter police station, now so they go send her to for RIP the same way she don't send this lady for RIP. Then she go her back home and know they go deposit the woman in corpse for on the bridge. So when she reach home, she explained everything for her husband. Her husband tell her the next day, say let's go to the police to go and report this particular case. So on her way to the police station with her husband, my people, now for the way police he grab her for road with her husband. So now if you imagine the whole thing is very painful because she was actually on her way the way she take talk, but because say she don't follow wrong advice, she don't learn herself for the situation. When I hear her the cry to my people now because say she don't stay 1 week, she not see her child, and as a nursing mother, definitely you feel the absence of your child self they feel your absence. You don't go into a crime where if at all you not be follow wrong advice for your business partner, my people. You for actually they free with your pikin. Yes, you forget maybe a fine to pay or you forget 1 or 2 sanctions, but it never put you for this kind of situation because yes, the act way it do now is show like because say you actually voluntarily hit that woman down. Now why that you not come for police station, and now why that you not go dump the cops for under bridge, my people. This matter it happened for Ikeja, for Lagos, my people. I want just make we understand say some kind of decisions that we will go take for life, it go influence us for the rest of our lives. Because now she dey cry, she dey feel the absence of her child, she dey cry on know she say now because say she will be confused, she not be know waiting for do before that her business partner he advised her to dump the cops and not go for police station, and we should do on that particular time because she'll be there for shock, my people. Anyway, this matter pain me. I see am for social media and I say no, make her bring and to make a chook mouth to put inside. Like there are some decisions where before one make for our lives, me would think well because you know how to turn our life around. Like we go confuse the kind of situation where it go get into our lives. Anyway, my people, I will leave the video more and watch until the end, and please more than not forget for subscribe, more than not forget for like, more than forget for share the video, leave your comments for comment section, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. And I go see you now for my next video, my people. Thank you so much for stopping by. Love you all. Choose.
The woman knocked another woman down at Ikeja under the bridge. So pretentiously, she took the woman out to hospital. By the time we got to the hospital now, so she was confirmed dead. Instead of her not doing what the law says she should do, it's an accident, it's a traffic offense. He doesn't have any criminal intention. So they were now taking, so they report the case at the police station. So she connived with her friend. They went to drop the woman, the corpse of the woman, so under the bridge. So on the way to Mowede, they don't waited for society. They dropped the corpse of the woman there. That is inhumanity. So, so fellow human being. They have knocked this woman down. It was not intention. But the action she took after now goes to show that she had intention of doing that.
My name is Anita.
With all the law.
I had an accident. My kids are here. So, I don't even know whether I'm the one that hit the lady because she did not cross the road. I was just hearing people shouting. I now parked the car. And when I parked the car, everybody was just standing and look at her. The next thing, I told them to help her. And I opened the vehicle and they put her inside. They made me carry her, put inside the vehicle. All of them was following me. It was only one woman that followed me, which I came to meet at Ikeja. So they direct me to take her to the hospital around here. Now took her there. So the nurses, they came out. I shouted and I asked them to come and check on her. When they came out, they now checked. The doctor couldn't say anything. The nurse couldn't say anything before the doctor came out and checked on her, confirmed that she is dead. I didn't know what to do. They asked me to go to police. So I now drove close to the police. And the woman beside me asked me not to enter the police. That they will kill me. She told me that I should go and drop it on the door, that police will carry him. Because I don't know what to do next. And she advised me that we now follow her instruction.
Where do you now go to drop
For Long Bridge. Not Ikeja. Lagos. Lagos, Ibadan. The next day I wanted to go to police. So when I told my husband, so the next day we wanted to go and report to police. The police now, when we are coming now, the police was coming to our place as well.
How do you think they got to you?
They snapped me, and I know they snapped me that day.
Okay, when you went,
when I took it to hospital, they snapped the vehicle.
which hospital do you take the cops?
I can't remember the name.
Which area is the hospital?
Ikeja here.
Now, you said you were with your business partner. Where's the partner?
I don't know.
Okay, but where were you going to? Where were you coming from before the accident happened?
I came to work on my phone in Ikeja.
Okay.
So I met her.
That is your business house. What's her name?
Chichi.
Wait. Okay, and where were you going?
I came to Ikeja.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So now that you are in this state now, do you regret following the instruction of your friend?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Let's start off.
They couldn't see my baby. They arrested me and they now brought my baby for me. Now they couldn't see my baby.